Look at me, guys, I'm a vlogger. Anyway, let's step into my office. Please ignore how trash this room is. The focus of this video is right here. We got all of our parts, and that's what we're gonna be talking about today. So I bought this new mount for my head. We're gonna see how it works. What I'm gonna be doing for the Mustang is all the installation videos and the build series for the Mustang. I'm gonna use this so you guys can see me do it a lot easier, and you can get like a first perspective view. So if you wanna learn how to do these installs yourself, or if you just wanna watch in general, it gives you a better view than just, you know, me putting the camera on like a weird angle and you're looking up at me and you can barely see the car, what's going on. So that's why I bought this mount, super cheap. It should help the video. This video is gonna be focused on all of the parts that I bought for the Mustang and everything we're gonna be doing for it. The name I have given my Mustang is the Brap Stang. I just feel like it really just blends in with what I'm trying to do. So we could go into my garage right now and open all these up and do it that way, but I'd rather have all the stuff that I'm gonna take out put onto my bed on a soft surface, plus going into my garage with all this stuff just to bring it back up here does not make much sense to me. So let me finish cleaning my room, so to speak, and we're gonna get into it. We're gonna open up each piece that I have here. I don't even remember how many parts. It's probably around like 12 to 15. I'm gonna show you guys each piece, and then we're gonna look at them and we're gonna go, you know, through detail of what I'm gonna do with each thing. So the first thing I'm sure you guys can see is this bumper, which is dirty as hell. So it is not clean. I need to clean it. It's not perfect either. I'm gonna have to touch it up a little bit, but it is in much better condition than the bumper that I have on my Mustang right now, because my Mustang has a ton of scratches over on this corner. My Mustang has a bunch of scratches over on the side over here, and then on the left side it even has a hole panel right there. So I found a used one online. Obviously they didn't clean it before they sent it out to me. That's gonna be my job, but that is the first thing I'm doing, and then I'm gonna take it from there. Then once that's done and the car is pretty much as clean as it's gonna get, then I'm gonna go into building it the rest of the way with all these other parts. So let's get into it. The first thing I ordered right here, you're gonna see I already opened it before, is some touch-up paint for any spots that have any scratches or anything like that. That's super easy. That's not interesting. You guys probably don't even care about that one. I bought this red carbon fiber that's gonna go on the dash of the Mustang. This will probably be the first video that I do in terms of the build series for the car. In terms of performance-wise, I said in the video of me making the Mustang that it already has a tune and the Pipes Bomb exhaust, so I don't think I'm going to do much more than that, to be honest, in terms of performance, at least for now. That's good enough for me, and it is my daily, so I don't want to go too crazy in the parts that I buy. I'll cover that up. And now I don't know what any of these are until I open them. I've yet to open the rest of these boxes, so let's see what we have here. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. Through Black Coyote style emblem. I bought two new matte black emblems for the Brap Stang, which I'm going to put over the chrome ones, which you guys will see. This is my shorty antenna that I'm going to put on there as well. I'm assuming these are my racing stripes. Let's do this next one here. Alright, now we're gonna get into what is in this box. It's like Christmas came early, guys. It's just all this stuff. Maybe if I can use a knife the right way, maybe I can open the package. Alright, there we go. Alright, these are some of what I'm really looking forward to putting on here. The next thing I bought are these louvers for the side windows of the Brap Stang. Make sure that there are two here, which there are, which is perfect. I just want to make sure that they are here. Take them out and let you guys look at them. So That's gonna go over the window. I think it looks super sick. It looked a lot more upward in the pictures. I like the way this looks a lot better in person. It's not overdoing it like I was afraid it was going to. So I'm excited to do that. Tip this one down real good. Alright, let's see what we got here. So here we have our racing stripes, our materials inside for it, our prep pad and squeegee. That's what's going to be fun for me. I'm really excited for this one because the look I'm going for on this Mustang is it's already black, as you guys could tell. I really just want to clean it up and just really black it out all the way. So a lot of the parts that I have too are matte black, as you will see in the unboxing of these videos. So I feel like if I do the matte black stripes, that'll help add to the matte black pieces and accents that I'm putting on the car. Alright, let me get to my knife. I think I just broke this knife. Yep. Well, that's disappointing. Alright, there we go. Guys, my knife is limp. We're gonna have a problem. Take this sweatshirt off. It's getting hot in here with all these parts, man. Alright, I know what this one is. Let's see if you guys can guess. So these are my side rockers that I bought for the Stang. We're just gonna go on the side. Basically side skirts. That's the next thing. I don't know in what order I'm gonna put all this on there. I'm gonna just send it, whatever I feel like putting on that day. I'll probably do some of the quicker ones first, just so I can finally feel like I'm doing something to the car. I've been working a lot of hours, so I've not had much time to do any videos. But let's see what the next one is here. We're gonna start to get into the bigger packages. So let's go with my deformed knife here. So this is the this one is the rear diffuser, which is gonna go on that bumper once I put it on. It's gonna be really sleek. Excited for that. Like I said, it's matte black, so some of the pieces that I'm putting onto the car are matte black, which is why I got the racing stripes as well, to kind of counterbalance the look. Kind of balance out the rest of the way with the matte black accents that I'm putting on with the racing stripes. I bought a lot of stuff, guys. This is figured buy it all now and then build it when I can, you know? Alright. Got my deformed knife. excited for this one. I'm excited to open this one because I know what it is, and it's something that I really feel like the car needs. And this is going to be one of the first modifications that I do to the car. She's heavy. Very gentle with it. If you guys can't tell what it is a new spoiler. I'm not going to go crazy and open it up all the way. But I will give you guys a little bit of a... Probably just put a picture up because I don't want to take it apart until I really, start to do the build. But it's a GT500 spoiler. The Brap Mustang came with the spoiler removed. The first owner of the Brap Mustang bought it and had the spoiler removal option to the car, so it does not have a rear spoiler, and I feel like it needs it, especially with everything else that I'm going to be doing, really just to complete the way it looks. Definitely gonna need a new knife after this. Alright, I don't know what this one is. Let's find out together. Okay, so this one is the front splitter. I have one on there already. This one I don't mind as much. Take it out. Let's see if it shows a picture. Oh, it does show a picture. So there you guys can see the front splitter. The stock one is much smaller and it actually has a little chip in it, so I figured might as well. I'm doing all these other parts. Might as well get the one that I want and really just make this car mine, Alright guys, it's time for the last package that I have right now. It's also the biggest one, and it's one of the parts that I'm most excited to put onto the car. I really want to see what these look like in person, so I'm going to take them out and I'm actually going to uncover them now. Alright guys, so this is going to be the rear window louvers for the rear window. It's really just going to be sick. Matte black, as you can see, which I think will look great with the stripes. And so, yeah, so this is the last piece for now. I do have one more thing for the interior. I have a shift knob. I'm really not a fan of the shift knob that the driver before me put in it. Really not a fan of the shift knob that the previous owner put inside of it. So I'm going to redo that, but that one is on back order. But yeah guys, so let me back up here and try and get all these in one shot. This is it guys. I got a ton of stuff to do to the car. Like I said, it's not going to take over the channel. It's just going to be, in addition to the other videos. So if you stuck with me through for this long, I appreciate that. This is a lot of stuff. This is not as fun as some of my other videos, but I just want to give you guys a rundown of what I'm looking to do to the car. So I got my washing stuff over here, my dirty laundry, my clean laundry that I've yet to fold or put away. Yeah, and I'm gonna get going on the car, guys. So next video will be some kind of modification, probably this rear bumper switch out. So I'll see you guys in the next one.